Yeah, it's basically we are in Bandra for last more than a decade, but it's good to have a new campus, a vibrant campus, a bigger and bolder campus with more facilities to provide the students. And Bandra has always been in forefront, may it be other there's our student who is now doing very good in Bollywood and Lakme Fashion Week and all, and many more students who have already showcased at London Fashion Week and this year again, this season again, one girl Michelle is going for the London Fashion Week in September. So that's a good achievement for already to INOT Bandra, and I congratulate Disha as well as Mr. Vivek Dhawan for all the good work the people are doing, and our support is always with them, always. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Whose idea was this?
Idea for Fashion Institute was mine, but the idea it have it in MET was, I think, I would say God's idea, because we were really looking for a place which we wanted to be big, a college kind of atmosphere, and which could give some students some innovation, something to think about, something to look, not a closed atmosphere, an open atmosphere, you know. So when we came to MET, we thought this is the best place for a design institute. So that's how the idea came up, and we are here today.
Okay, the way you have said, the way you have said this, right? It was not that easy, the way you're conveying it. What is the challenging while working on this process to getting met as an institute?
See, Bandra in any case is the hub of fashion. Mumbai is like for New York, Paris is Mumbai, and in Mumbai, Bandra is the place for fashion to be. And in Bandra, MET stands out, So it was, I would say, a chance. We came here, and we are very happy and blessed for the trustees over here to be supportive toward us for the cause, because they are also in education institute. So they were open to us for the idea of having a fashion institute together, and we thought the synergy of the students together would work very fine for us. So we are very happy to be here.
You have all the people from the fashion industry, from Bollywood. What's your, do you think the visibility gets more once you have the people who are known to?
See, courtesy Khosla ji, he has taken INFD to a different level, where round the year, all centers, all over India, there are so many things happening with INFD. Every 2 weeks you can see INFD something is happening, and with good people like Narendra Kumar Ahmed or Shabina Khan, Pankaj Bhau, Khosla ji, other designers, Imam Bhai, Priyadarshi now has been coming to us, Krishna Mehta has been coming to us. The designers nowadays are happy to impart their knowledge or their motivation to the students. So we are blessed. All these people are here, and I'm sure in future also they'll support us, because for students this is a big take. They get a lot of motivation with this.
Okay, Shabina given an offer. She wants.
Yeah, for Shabina's offer, I think it's a wonderful offer. I would say that it should not be an easy offer. I would say she should put it like in competition, that she gives the scene or whatever, song sequence, whatever, students should design, and they should be shortlisted, and then somebody can, because there has to be a competitive spirit, because what comes easy is never good. It has to come the hard way. They have to work, not that Shabina comes and says these 3 students come to me, that for them it's easy. Shabina should tell them a competition
to get the best one,
out, so that they feel competitive. If somebody is selected, the other one will perform better next time. Yeah. So I feel I'll accept her offer, and I will, Shabina, if you agree, so I will tell my students, next time you can tell me what's the song sequence or whatever is the scene, and then I'll tell them to work for it, send you the illustrations, and then we can select students.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
मैं बैठा हूँ.
Thank you.
Okay.
See you guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Space is expanding careers.
Bye, see you. Bye, this is Sir, sir. Shabina and Disha. हाँ.
Yeah. हो गया? Done. Thank you.
So sweet you are.
It's just one.
हाँ, bye. हमेशा बाल आगे आते हैं.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
जीतू को भैया ने सोच देना बारू जी
हाँ जी.
मेरी नौकरी पे कोई भी बात आई ना और आपने बारू को अगर पोस्ट हो जीतू को अगर भेजा ना ये
तो
वीडियो
पहले भेज दिया था.
अरे काय को भेज
मुझे क्या पता तुम आने वाला था.
नहीं मैं अच्छा हाँ सुनो ऑफिस में हमारे
डोंगली.
जिसकी शादी हुई थी.
हाँ मेरी शादी हुई थी
तो शादी में तो छोड़ेगा ही.
हाँ चलेगा
अच्छा.
ठीक है तो आपको कुछ भी चाहिए मेरे को फोन करो ठीक है संभाल लिया
और
कर दिया
फिर लाइव मतलब जल्दी पहुंचोगे.
हाँ ना जल्दी
ये नंबर सेव कर लो तुम्हारा.
हाँ नाइट पुराने बंद डिलीट मार दो सारे
Through Parul be in touch.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So,
So जब टाइम होगा एक बार आप वापस आना तो हम एक कंपटीशन
All the
करेंगे.
ladies.
now let's do it.
हाँ, we'll do a nice
Ladies.
competition.
Yeah, okay. एक तीनों का पिक्चर आप करेंगे.
Now you can come close. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay.
I'll send you a message. Stay connected. All the best. All the best.
Thank you.
See you soon. Bye bye. Arun. Bye bye. Sorry.
Arun, high picture.
Face it.
I'll meet you that day.
Huh? No, we always go.
No, but by the time you come and the show is over.
क्या तिवारी जी को आया व्हाट्सएप में क्या हुआ पहुँचे सब निपटा दिया
सॉफ्ट बोर्ड लगा के ना हम लोग पूरा यहाँ पे बोला.
Fine.
वो
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
चलो बच्चों में हो रहे फोटोज लंच पे लेके चले सकते
लंच पे लेके चलते
हैं.
सब.
आपको भी सबको फिफ्थ फ्लोर जाना है लंच पे.
Yeah.
ऊपर से आप ले लीजिए. ऊपर से एक हम.
Hmm.